Same use case as with deleting content from the cloud. Imagine you're planning to give your device to a family member or friend for a while. They will not only see which content is on your device or in your cloud library, they will also get an impression which kind of content you own and are looking for in the Kindle store by the customized recommendations Amazon gives you. You might know that problem from Netflix or some other service. There might be some titles that you don't want to show up in your movie list or in recommendations. The Kindle allows you to turn off these personalized and customized recommendations. You find the setting if you go to Settings, then All Settings, the Advanced options, and there it is, Privacy. Amazon calls this Use personal data collected by the device's operating system for marketing and product improvement. Same scheme as anywhere in the Amazon cosmos. The more they know about us, the better the marketing targeting works, the more we buy usually. You can disable the function here. It will not affect your ability to use the features of your device at all. Also, you will still receive marketing offers. They will just not fit your interests as much anymore, but your Kindle is safer now.